Anong pangalan mo?
Aaron po.
Anong ginagawa ni Aaron sa buhay?
Surfer instructor po.
Surfing instructor ka dito sa Boracay.
Opo.
So, lokal ka.
Opo.
Aside sa surfing instructor ka dito, ano pang ginagawa mo sa buhay?
Every morning po, meron po kaming training ng Dragon Boat. Tsaka pag tapos namin ng training, 1 hour to mga isang oras ganon. Diretso po ako dito sa surfing and then mag-aalok po ng mga bisita.
Kaya pala ganyan yung katawan ni Aaron. Mamasil-masil, mapandisal yung katawan niya dahil the Dragon Boat. Bakit? Ano ka ba? Kasama ka ba doon? May tournament ba kayo or...
Opo, meron kaming tournament sa Iloilo and then September Iloilo po, laban namin, tapos Boracay po sa October.
Speaking of surfing dito sa isla ng Boracay Island, magkano yung surfing per hour?
Meron tayong 30 minutes, meron po tayong 1 hour. And then tinatanong muna namin yung bisita kung ilang hours po ba yung lalaroin nila or kalating oras lang po. Bali, and 30 minutes po natin is 500 po per 30 minutes. Kahit ilan na po yung magpalit-palitan. Tapos yung 1 hour po namin is 1,000 po. 1,000 po.
So, para sa iyo, sulit naman yung 30 minutes at saka 1 hour na surfing sa mga turista?
Opo, sulit naman po kasi nag-enjoy sila, nag-enjoy din po kami.
Ay, wow. Anong klaseng enjoyment yan?
Kasi pag nakita namin na masaya yung bisita, ibig sabihin, nagugustuhan po nila yung mga mga tinuturo namin kasi nagsasuccess po yung nila yung pagtayo sa surfing.
So, parang effective?
Opo, effective po.
So, if ever na may magbubook sa'yo ng mga turista na pupunta dito sa Boracay Island, saan ka nila pwede mahanap?
Bali, hanapin lang po ako nila dito sa Station 2 sa may KFC po, harap po ng Henan Garden.
Dito lang sa Station 2.
Opo.
KFC. So alam nyo na kung saan nyo hahanapin si Aaron if ever na pupunta kayo para mag-surfing o di kaya mag-paddleboard dito sa isla ng Boracay. Ilang taon ka na ba?
25 years old po.
Hindi halata Akala ko 21 ka lang.
Salamat po.
So, if ever na, anong pinakagusto mo? Ano yung pinaka malaking tip na naibigay sa iyo ng turista?
Yung pinakamalaki kong tip siguro mga 3,000 ganun po.
Isang araw lang yon?
Isang araw po.
Isang turista lang din yon?
Isang turista lang din po.
Wow, grabe. Parang gusto ko na maging surfing instructor dito sa isla kaysa mag-interview kasi nagkakapera tayo eh. As a local dito sa Boracay Island, paano mo mako-convince yung mga turista natin na sa kanila ka mag-book ng surfing lesson or paddleboarding lesson?
Bali, para sa akin lang po, kung gusto po nilang matutong mag-surfing, makinig lang po sila mabuti, tsaka sundin lang po yung tinuturo namin sa kanila. And then, pag medyo galit kami konti, pero hindi naman po kami galit pag nagtuturo, na talaga, para matutulong pa talaga sila na maayos.
Parang chill-chill lang.
Chill lang po.
Pero, paano mo sila mako-convince na, hey, sa akin na kayo mag-book ng surfing lesson?
Madali lang, gamitan natin ng magandang katawan para lumapit pa sila lahat.
Ay, ganun pala yung sikreto. Naku, magpapaganda na rin ako ng katawan para maging ganito akong Aaron. Are you okay with the weather right now?
Yeah, I love it. It's beautiful paradise. I love it.
But before coming here in Boracay, were you aware about the weather would be like this?
No, I think I didn't check. Like if the weather is really. I saw like it rains sometimes, but I was thinking like it's just like
just a normal rain.
Yeah, like morning, and then the first day, the second day, I think we had like good days. And then the last 3 days wasn't so good.
Just to give you an idea, right now the weather is southwest monsoon. So for the southwest monsoon started at June, July, August, and September. So it's roughly around 4 months. And then after 4 months, the weather would be back to normal.
But what is back to normal here?
Like it's paradise. Like when you see, did you see the Boracay in internet?
Yeah, I see. Like it's white sands.
It would be like that.
The first day we came here, it was perfect. White sands. It was a very beautiful day. The first day we arrived here, when we came, I was like, wow. The second day, the third, the fourth, like, no. So yeah, I think it somehow would come again for sure, but maybe not rainy season.
Yeah, that's right.
Because when it's rainy season, we just like yesterday we came couple of hours, then it's raining heavily. We had to return to the hotel. So, but I love it.
How many days you stayed here already?
So far, I think 12 days now.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's quite
That's a long
long.
time. See, I can give an opinion.
That's right. Would you recommend Boracay Island to your friends?
100%. I would, and I'll save enough to come back.
One word.
In January.
Oh yeah, that's a perfect weather.
Yeah, but then it's very busy, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's then I don't know.
Last question. One word to describe Boracay.
Paradise.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.